Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Bukola. In today's video, I will be showing you a tutorial on how to cancel your medical visits or exam online. Come disdire la tua visita medica online. Allora, if you have a medical visit or a test and you can't go to the hospital, you can't go for the test that day, you need to cancel your visit 3 working days before your exam, before your test. So how do you cancel your test, your visit? Come puoi disdire la tua visita? È molto facile. It's very easy. All you have to do is go to Google or you go to the Fascicolo sanitario website. But let's do this through Google. So I already have a video on how you can book for your test online. I have the video. I'm going to leave a card up here and I'm going to leave it in the description box as well if I remember to do so. So what you have to do is go to Google and type Fascicolo sanitario. Fascicolo, so yeah, as you can see, there are suggestions here. So I'll be choosing Lombardia because I live in the Lombardia regione. So you have to choose the region you live. So if you live in Lazio, region Veneto, Sardegna, Piemonte, Toscana, so you choose the region you reside in. So I'm going to choose Fascicolo sanitario Lombardia. Okay, so allora so this is the website. Il servizio di sconfigurazione documenti. Okay, so now we're going to log in. This is a website and you just, to log in, you can log in with your SPID. So I will log in with my SPID right now. In account SPID, and I will have to choose my identity provider, which is POSTE ID. Acconsento. So now we are in the website, the Fascicolo sanitario website, Fascicolo sanitario elettronico, and so here is showing me my next visit. So this is the one I want to cancel. This is the one I want to cancel. So what I'll do now is so I'll go to gestisci, then prenotazioni. Okay, so this is the one I want to cancel. This is the visit I want to cancel. So what I will have to do is annulla because I don't want it anymore. So type annulla. Verifica attentamente prima di annullare l'appuntamento. So it's telling me to verify everything before I cancel the appointment. For I really want to cancel the appointment, so I will just click on conferma. And it's done. Annullamento effettuato con successo. So this appointment has been cancelled. So if I want, I can also book it for another day. Maybe I want to book the appointment again. I can still book it for another day. But that's it. I don't want to book the exam anymore because I don't have to do it anymore. So that's it, guys. This is just a simple way. This is just a simple way of canceling your medical visit. You don't have to make calls because sometimes it's difficult to reach them, even with calls, because sometimes the lines are always, most times the lines are always busy. So you just you can just do it online from the comfort of your home or from anywhere. So it's just so simple. So this is how you can cancel your visit. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I will see you in my next upload. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao e alla prossima.